Good morning, guys. It's another day in the city of Bath dito sa England. Right now, guys, it's still morning and the weather is 2 degrees. Napakalamig actually. And the plan for today is just to go around since it's Sunday here. Wala pa akong gagawin dahil tomorrow pa yung start ng trabaho. I'm planning to visit the Royal Crescent. If you're watching the Bridgerton or if you're a fan of that series sa Netflix, doon sinut yung Bridgerton na yun. Like the queens and the kings. Let's see how beautiful it is. It's actually a hotel now eh. May usok check actually. So let's go. Again, we'll be taking the public transportation, which is the local bus here sa area ko. Going there. It's just 11 stops actually. So let's go. So, bumaba na tayo ng bus. Travel time is around 12 minutes from my place. And look at the neighborhood, guys. Ang ganda ng mga bahay dito. Ayan, guys. And based dun sa napansin ko, yung mga structure ng bahay dito, uniform. Halos pare-pareho talaga yung design. So, I think kung hindi mo kabisado talaga yung bahay mo, baka maligaw ka. Imagine, neighborhood pa lang yan. Wala pa tayo dun sa Royal Crescent mismo. I think it is more beautiful. Let's just walk. According to Google Maps, it's just 4 minutes walk from the bus stop. We've made it, guys, dito sa Royal Crescent and it's beautiful. Grabe, ang ganda niya in person. Although, hindi naman tayo makakapag-check-in dun sa mismong hotel. Pero from the outside, look at that. Look at that. Ang laki niya. And then, parang half moon yung structure niya. And then, on the outside, like, etong ground na to, I believe, based sa research ko, you can do picnic there. Pero right now, wala tayong makikitang tao kasi sobrang lamig. I'm not joking. Sobrang lamig. Pero it's beautiful. I don't know with the weather of England. Siguro sa 3-4 days na nandito ko, napansin ko na lagi siyang gloomy. Although yes, it's winter. Pero based sa mga readings na nakikita ko, gloomy talaga siya. Look at that beauty. It starts from here all the way there. Ano ba yan? May kapareho akong bonnet na pula. Inagawa naman ako ng inagawa ako ng eksena. Kala ko ako lang. Ang ganda. Alam mo, pwede tayo mag-shooting dito ng ng like picnic shots sa spring. Let's go near. You know what, guys? I saw this tree na meron siyang mga bunga. I'm not sure kung anong bunga to, pero ito siya. Like, what is that? Parang aratilis. Parang siyang aratilis sa atin. Pero it's pretty. Hindi naman siguro yan cherries, no? Let's move closer dun sa Royal Crescent Hotel, guys. Actually, this is not just a hotel. No. This hotel is near or beside Victoria Park. So, aside from taking a picture on this Royal Crescent Hotel, you can roam around dito sa park. Maganda siya at malawak actually. Ang daming places to sit if you wanted to rest. And the air is beautiful. Ayan. Meron pa siya hanggang doon. Hindi lang natin siya pupuntahan ngayon. Diba? Soon sa spring, let's go back here. I wanted to do a photo shoot, a picnic photo shoot. Diba? Yes. Kasi mas buhay yung mga puno eh. Ngayon walang mga leaves kasi winter. Pero if it's spring, it's beautiful.
But like all those lovely smoked salmon, believe me.
Ang ganda ng ibon, no? we're already here, guys, beside the Royal Crescent. Ayan na yung kanyang name. And ito yung pinaka, nasa right side tayo. And ito, guys, yung street na yan, ang ganda, grabe. So, I'm not, they have gift shop kung if you wanted to buy souvenirs. Also, ano ba to? Oh, they have museum. This is the museum. They also have museum. But I'm not sure if may bayad siya. Oh my God, ito na siya. So we're just walking here, guys. Good thing hindi masyadong marami yung tao. Look at the view. Ayun siya, pag ganun, hanggang doon. And dyan, nasabi ko na to kanina, dito sa open area na to, pwede dyan mag-picnic. Wala lang nagpi-picnic ngayon kasi nga, medyo masyadong malamig, ayan. Malamig for 2 degrees, so baka hindi nyo ma-enjoy yung picnic. But I'm sure sa spring, babalik tayo sa spring, promise. Look at that. Oh my God. Wala tayong makikitang ganito sa Philippines. Napansin niyo yun? Ang linis, 'di ba? Kahit open area to, kahit it's a public place, ang linis. Kahit wala akong nakikitang mga street sweeper, pero malinis. I think that's how disciplined they are. This is the other side of the Royal Crescent, guys.
Fuck! Laban!
We're just walking, guys, sa neighborhood malapit sa the Royal Crescent. And papunta tayo. Next destination natin actually would be a church. St. John yan, di ba? St. John Church. Actually, ang ganda ng neighborhood malapit sa Royal Crescent. Look at the area. Ayan siya, ayan. Ito, giggling squid. Pero that's not the church yet. According to Google Maps, we have to walk like 10 minutes pa going to it. Kasi yung mga kasama ko, mag-church sila. See? Mukha na nga church to eh. Ang ganda ng neighborhood, grabe. And ang linis. I think this area, nandito yung mga restaurant, alfresco, coffee shop, eto siya. Ganda. Based na nababasa ko, nasa Old Bond Street na tong area na to. And maraming shop, maraming bilihan. Meron pa ditong maps if you're lost. So, ito yung mga pwede mong puntahan around this area. It says here, this is what you can see.
Minutes pa.
Look at this Abby, guys.
Look at this stuff. Isn't it?
Abby pala yung name nito. Remember yesterday, on the first video, we were able to solve this na. It's Abby. Ayun pala yung name niya. Parang scam naman yung church na 11 minutes. Parang ang tagal na namin naglalakad. But, buti na lang maganda yung place, guys. Yung area actually. Malilibang ka sa paglalakad kasi yung mga structures, architecture actually, ng mga buildings, ang ganda. Parang sinauna ba? Ganun. See? We've already reached St. John, guys. I'm not sure if may mass, although standing in, or baka tapos na. Pero, look at the church. Ang ganda. It is so beautiful. Kala na. I'm not sure what it is made of. Pero ang ganda. Parang ang tagal na niya. It's a Catholic church, by the way. And ito yung schedule if you're planning to go here. Done na, di ba?
9:30, 11.
Saturday and Sunday. If you're wondering where to eat, guys, meron pa rin mga fast food dito. Ayan, KFC, and then meron pa doon. May nakita ko doon kanina sa isa pang alley. May McDonald's at saka Smash Burger. Pero I prefer mag-KFC for today. Ayuta ka. Let's look at the menu. Eatin tayo, no? These are the menus, guys. Ayan. And ayan yung mga prices niya. Ito. Gusto ko rice. Para drink. Okay. Drink tayo. The basket. And no thanks. For the other menus, may maganyan. Sharing. Ayan. Box meals. Ako, I prefer kasi rice. Medyo mahirap maghanap dito ng rice. Ayan. I think ibang-iba siya sa meron tayo sa Philippines. I'll just complete my order first. Ito yung this is the Zinger rice box. I think it's spicy. So we're now here sa city center uli kasi from the city center, it's a 4-minute walk going to the Putney Bridge. And right now, itong alley na to, parang kainan siya. Puro kainan siya yan, ang bango. May usok check tayo ngayon. Yan, I'll just have to walk 2 minutes na lang, then we'll reach Putney Bridge na. I hope nabibigyan ng hustisya ng camera yung usok check, diba? Nakatingin ka na dyan. Hello? We've already reached the bridge, guys. This is the Putney Bridge. Let's see. Ayan na siya.
Oh, wow. Sabi?
So far, ito lang yung makikita. Bawal mag-picture doon. Let's go down. I don't know, parang may maze. Going down sa Riverside, guys. Ito yung daanan. On the side lang, and then bababa talaga dito. Let's go down. Literal na bababa ka talaga. And then, ayan, yung daanan. Ay, yung cute. Ito na siya. Ayan. Ganda. Pretty. So, sabi sa Google, guys, ito palang Putney Bridge is a Georgian architecture. So, if you're looking for like a Georgian architecture, this is the best place to visit so that you have the glimpse of ano nga ba yung itsura ng mga Georgian architecture. And pinangalan siya sa wife ni William Putney.